The Air 180. Bluebird 2025. The Air 180 Bluebird, one of the silhouette's most recognizable original colorways, is returning. Longtime fans of the iconic running model will want to own this, as it is the first time the colorful design has been released in a retro style. The base of the Bluebird colorway is a combination of white nylon and off-white suede, providing a crisp background for the vivid highlights that characterize the style. While teal provides balance to the heel counter, air unit border, and tongue branding, periwinkle blue offers a splash of color to the swoosh, lining, tongue piping, and toe section of the outsole. The strong yet classic style that made the original so adored is maintained in this nostalgic reincarnation. But the Air 180 Bluebird is anticipated to be available in the spring of 2025.